Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, this is Moon Pie. And hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to double tap on that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos and you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. So guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am packing for my mission trip. I leave extremely soon. So if you guys haven't seen my original video, I will leave an iCard above and a link in the description about my mission trip. I am going to Honduras. Lord watch over us as we go on this trip. Amen. And I'm just going to show you guys some of the things I'm packing. I have maybe 2 or 3 additional things in addition to like my toothbrush and all that stuff. The essentials that I am packing for now and what I'm taking. And it's all going to fit in a small carry-on, which I will show you right now. If you guys can see it in the background, it's all going to fit in this carry-on right here. This is pretty much everything laid out on the floor. I'm just going to kind of randomly go through and show you guys what I have thus far. They gave us a laundry list of things, but only wanted us to bring it in a small suitcase. So I'm trying to be very conscious of what I bring. So this is just a random mirror. I don't know why I would need this, but this was on the list. So I have a mirror here that's a compact that'll go with me. I'll probably put that in my backpack. I love this backpack. I got this during back to school from Walmart, and it has like a pocket on this side and then another pocket, a different pocket from this one on this side. It has nice, like you can put water bottles and things on both sides. It has a little pocket up, like a mini pocket up here. I can put my sunglasses. These are just some sunglasses. If they break, I don't really care about them. I'm gonna put those in here. I might take those out, but they fit in there. And then there's 3 compartments. There's a compartment here, and then there's one in the very back that goes all the way down. So this is a really good book bag, and I think it costs maybe like $15 or something, if that. Back during school time, some little padded shoulder straps. This is an Esport book bag, and I love the fact that it was camo too. So this is going to be also like my purse slash carry-on. It is going to be extremely hot in Honduras, so I purchased this hat off Amazon. It's actually a fishing hat, but you can wear it in like 7 different ways, or 7. You can wear it in several different ways. You can wear it with the thing to cover your neck. You can wear it to cover over your face, like any dust. And then you can just wear it as a plain old hat. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? There's a dog in the background. Okay, I'm not sure where we left off. We had a barking dog in the background. Anywho, so let's go. I'm going to wear... We were told to wear very modest clothes during the time that we are in Honduras, but we are allowed to wear leggings like on the plane and all that. So I'm just gonna wear these black leggings there, and then I'll probably wear them. I'll wash them while I'm there and then wear them back. I'm trying to bring a limited amount of clothing because, let's be real, this is not a vacation. This is a mission trip. So, you know, I'm not gonna be needing to be dressed to the nines. And then this is just a plain white t-shirt that needs to be ironed. It's an oversized t-shirt. It will work well on the plane, and then it's gonna be super hot there, so it'll be breathable when we get to Tegucigalpa. And I always fly with a scarf because people are always sneezing and coughing on the plane, and your girl is not trying to get sick, you know what I'm saying? So I need to iron this as well. But this will be my airplane outfit to and from. This is just a random t-shirt that I'm going to take. I don't know if I'm actually going to wear it. I might just take it and leave it there. Some of the clothes that, or maybe a few of the items, I don't know what all I'm going to leave there, but they did encourage us to take clothes to leave in the village. We don't know what village we're going to, so I'll give you guys a recap when I get back of my experience, but that's another video. Walmart had these really nice, what is it called? Dry works or dry wicking kind of shirts. So I got 2 of those. They were $5.96 a piece. Dry work, so it's like moisture wicking to keep you dry and cool. I have some denim capris that I will more than likely wear. I think one of the last day I think we're gonna get to go into the city and just, you know, experience the culture one day. So I'm just gonna take more of civilian-ish like clothes. So that's what these are for. I have these capris because I'm not really sure what we're gonna be doing. We're supposed to be working in the morning and then doing vacation Bible school or women's devotional in the evening. We don't really know, so everything's kind of up in the air. So that's really, I'm just bringing random stuff. So I have these. So I have 3 pair of pants. These are some just khaki, really lightweight khaki skinny pants, and I'm gonna roll them up and make them into capris because it's gonna be hot. And I'm just gonna mix and match the shirts that I bring with these pants, and I'll, you know, wear it one day, wash it that night, let it dry, and then probably wear it again one other day. Let's keep going with clothes while we're at it, and then we'll do under. I got this skirt at Goodwill for like $3. It's like one of those really long skirts. I don't know, I just figured one day I might just wear this. I don't know for what, but yeah. And I also got this plain white t-shirt. It's actually from H&M, which is hilarious. From Goodwill also, and I think I'm gonna actually keep this. I may leave this skirt there, but I'm gonna actually keep this. And then I purchased this Talbot shirt also from Goodwill. It's just a plain red shirt. We're gonna go the second day we get there, I think, because we leave on a Saturday, and on Sunday we'll be going to church. So I purchased this skirt from Goodwill. It's really cute. It's a vintage skirt. I've never heard of this brand, Leslie Faye. It looks like 80s or something. But I purchased this skirt from Goodwill and just to go with this shirt, and then maybe some flats or something that I'll probably need to put in here to go with that. So this was another Goodwill purchase. And I know for sure I'm going to leave this red shirt there because I don't need this. Yeah. So that is the clothing. My cousin gave me some scrubs, so I'm probably gonna wear these scrubs as loungewear and then leave the other pairs there. So I'm gonna take 3 pairs of scrubs and leave all 3 there. When I get there, again, on the Modest kick, I have some Modest like jammies that I'm taking. They're long pants, but they're really light cottony material. And I'm just gonna wear these every night. So yeah, that's for the clothes. And then I just have one regular bra. I'm taking some sports bras because I imagine it's gonna be super hot, so I'll probably be more comfortable in a sports bra than a regular bra. So I have 3 of those. Again, I'll wash them at night, and then, you know, I'll probably, you know, maybe I'll wear this one, say the first day, I'll wash it, and then while this one's drying, I'll wear the other one. Well, at least that's my mindset. I'm bringing just regular socks. I'm just gonna bring 2 pairs of socks, and I'll just alternate days wearing them when I wash them. Actually, I have 3 pairs of socks. I have another pair there, mix match, but whatever, that doesn't really care. I don't really care about that. I'm bringing a pair of sneakers. These are just some sneakers that I think will be comfortable to wear, and they kind of go with all the other outfits. So I'm gonna take these, and I'm gonna take a pair of flats. And then I have these flip-flops. As far as, oh, and I bought a pack of wicking cool comfort fabric, like some Hanes high cuts, okay? So I mean, anybody wearing, I just figured I'd just get some brand new underwear to take with me, and I mean, they ain't gotta be cute, you know what I'm saying? So I just got these 10 packs. So it's perfect enough for the entire time I'm there. As far as not accessories, but essentials, I'm bringing like a little travel size of lotion, travel size deodorant, travel size insect spray with DEET, because they do have mosquitoes that can give you Zika, and ain't nobody trying to get Zika. I have hand sanitizer, a little thing of sunblock, because you know I'm loving my chocolatey skin and I'm not trying to get sunburnt, you know what I'm saying? I love these Walmart sensitive face wipes. I will not be taking I'll be taking Zilch makeup, maybe like a chapstick that is clear, but you know, none of this full face will be there. It's gonna be too hot for all that. And anybody got time for all that? So, but still, I'll need to wash my face because I'll probably have like, you know, sunscreen and sweat and all that nasty stuff. So I'll need those for that. And I'm bringing some water wipes. These are baby wipes because I have been also informed that you cannot flush tissue down the toilet. So that means every time you go to the bathroom, 1 and 2, you have to throw the tissue in the trash. So, you know, your girl might need a little refreshment, you know, like I'm saying. Also, we'll be sweating a lot, so I figured just to kind of just freshen up all over. That's what these will be for. And then any leftovers, I'll leave those there. If you guys have ever been out of the country, there's a place called, if you have not been out of the country, there's a place called Passport Health, and they give you all your vaccines for whichever country you're going to. So I have already taken my typhoid pills, which I do not recommend. I recommend getting the shot, just FYI. The pills, I have to start taking those. And then this little kit just basically has, you know, diarrhea pills, some water packets to replenish your electrolytes if you get sick or something. Yeah, they just give you a cool little kit, and put my passport back in there. And then I'm taking some probiotics just to keep things moving along while I'm there. Yeah, and I'll have it all in this little handy kit, and then my chapstick, I'll just throw that in there. And I have a poncho. It's not rainy season there. I doubt it's gonna rain, but I'm just gonna take it just in case, you never know. And last but not least, this is why I have not packed my stuff. They told us to buy this stuff called permethrin. It repels and kills mosquitoes and ticks. So what you do is, it's like a really, really, really strong, not healthy, but straight chemically, but it keeps the mosquitoes away. Insect repellent for your clothes, and if you're a camper, for like any of your camping gear and things like that. It lasts for up to 6 washes or something else, I can't remember, or a longer time than that. I can't remember what it says. Anyways, so what you do is you take this stuff and you go outside and you spray like all the openings of your clothes. So guys, I probably rambled on for I don't know how long, and I'll probably have to condense this down, but these are the things that I'm packing to go with me aside from my toothbrush and all that stuff. But these are the clothing items that I'm taking with me on my mission trip. You guys, I will talk to you soon, and I will be sure to update you guys once I return. I hope you guys like this video and thumbs it up. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me next, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!